Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever looked at a TradingView chart and wondered how experienced traders use all those perfectly placed lines to find the best trades, then you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through exactly how to use lines on TradingView, and I'm sharing some of my favorite tips and tricks to get your charts looking clean, organized, and powerful. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just how to draw lines, but how to actually make them work for you, whether you're tracking key price levels or spotting new trends. Let's dive right in. So first things first, let's hop over to TradingView. Just open your browser, head to TradingView.com, and you're set. At the top of the screen, you'll see the Products menu. Click on that, and from the drop-down, select Trend Line. If you're new to TradingView, don't worry, the interface is super approachable once you get the hang of it. Now here's a quick but crucial tip. To draw a perfectly straight line, just click where you want your line to start, then hold down the Shift key as you drag your mouse. This little shortcut snaps your line into place, making it perfectly horizontal, vertical, or at a precise angle, and trust me, this makes all the difference when you're trying to keep your charts tidy. Let's talk about support and resistance next. These are the backbone of technical analysis. Use horizontal lines to clearly mark out areas where the price has bounced before or struggled to break through. Think of these as invisible floors and ceilings for the price. For instance, if you notice the price hitting a certain level over and over again, that's a strong support or resistance zone. Here's a tip. Use thicker or bolder lines for your most significant levels. When you glance at your chart, these should stand out, kind of like using a highlighter in a textbook. It helps keep your attention on the areas that really matter. Moving on to trend lines, these are fantastic for showing the market's direction. To draw a valid trend line, connect at least 2 swing highs for a downtrend or 2 lows for an uptrend. If you can anchor that line to 3 or more points, even better. And don't forget to extend your trend lines forward into the future. This way, you're not just analyzing the past, you're actually forecasting where price could potentially react next. It's almost like leaving breadcrumbs for your future self to follow. Now let's take it up a notch with parallel channels. Start by drawing a trend line, then grab the parallel channel tool. This will clone your trend line and let you create a perfectly parallel boundary above or below. This is super useful for identifying price ranges or channels, showing you where the market might bounce between upper and lower limits. Think of it like drawing lanes on a racetrack for price movement. Here's a feature I think every trader should use: alerts on lines. Just right-click on any line you've drawn and select Add Alert on Trend Line. TradingView will automatically notify you if the price touches or breaks your line, so you never miss a key move. This is especially helpful if you're busy and can't watch the charts all day. To keep things visually organized, use color coding. For example, green for support, red for resistance, and blue for trend lines. This way you'll know at a glance what each line represents, no more second guessing. Along the same lines, adjust the thickness of your lines depending on their importance. Use bold lines for major long-term levels like monthly or weekly supports and thinner lines for short-term intraday areas. You'll find this really helps when you zoom out for the bigger picture. Last but definitely not least, when you have an important level marked out, make sure you lock it in place. Just right-click the line and choose Lock. This prevents you from accidentally dragging it out of position while you're charting. It's a small step, but it keeps your analysis neat and reliable. Alright, that's a wrap on today's tutorial. If you found these TradingView line tricks helpful, smash that like button, and I'd love to hear any questions or your own tips down in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical trading tutorials. Happy charting, and I'll see you in the next one.